So here we test the screen for 1.4 before putting or before applying gum. So after confirming that the screen is okay, then here we come to the flame. You make sure the flame is clean, like clean. So here we go. You make sure you apply gum when it's not too much, because sometimes when you apply too much gum, it may cause the screens to lose sensors. Yeah, so when we are applying gum, you apply gum which is not too much. So here we put the screen. You make sure the screen is firm. You make sure the screen is okay. Then here we fix the fiber. After here, we bring the battery. Before fixing the phone back, you have to first on it. You confirm. You confirm whether everything is okay before fixing the nuts. Yeah, the screen is okay. So here we fix the nuts back. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.